everyone, it's Danny and welcome back to Do It Frugal, where every week I share budget-friendly cooking, cleaning, organising, decorating and lifestyle content. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you can be notified of all my new uploads. Today's frugal recipe is how to make taco soup. First we're going to start off with adding some beef mince to our pan with some olive oil, chopped red onion, and a packet of taco seasoning. I've just used the store brand. Then what we're going to do is turn the heat on. We're going to brown the mince and cook it until the onion is translucent. Once we've got that done, we can move to step 2. Now what we need to do is we're going to get a soup pot and we're going to add red kidney beans, cannellini beans, along with a jar of chunky salsa, and we're going to add that all in. Next we're going to add in some refried beans, and then we're going to top that all up with some water. Once we've done that, we're going to give it all a really good mix, and we're going to break up all of those refried beans and get it all looking nice and consistent, and then we're going to turn on the heat and bring it to the boil before we go ahead and add our mince mixture. Now that it's at the boil, we're going to go ahead and put all of our mince mixture in there, and then we're going to simmer it for about 30 minutes until the soup gets really nice and thick and delicious. This is one of my favorite recipes and I'm really sure that you're going to like it as well. You'll see in a little bit that I actually packed this up to take to work for lunch, and it's absolutely delicious, and because of all the protein in there, it keeps you full for longer. So this keeps me going from lunchtime all the way until I get home from work. All of the ingredients are listed down in the description box below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like as it really helps me out. And if you decided to try this recipe, leave a comment down in the description and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.